guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited to do this video. I've wanted to do this a couple times. This is honestly what has gotten me through the past like year and a half, probably 2 years, honestly, like just figuring out a simple makeup routine. Especially like being a mom now and having a little person, I need to be able to do my makeup in under 20 minutes. And this honestly works for me. You'll notice that I do have on like cluster lashes. I don't do lash extensions. These are cluster lashes that I do myself, and I used to get them done, which they are pretty affordable. They're not lash extensions, so they aren't as pricey. They don't fall out as easily. So I like this option better. I like it just a little bit more natural. So yeah, this has worked for me, like less than 20 minutes. Yes, it took me some time to like figure out what I needed to do to get it to this, to where it still looks good, but it doesn't take me an hour to do my makeup because I honestly just don't have that time with a little person. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then continue watching. Okay, I'm starting off with a fresh face. I am going to actually start off with concealer. I am using the Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha. I can only assure it. I've been to New York and I've been to Houston, and nothing's better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. For the concealer, I'm just going to make sure that I'm getting underneath my eyes and the corner of my nose, just to cover up my dark spots. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match, and I'm going to use a brush to stipple this, not to wipe it, but I'm going to stipple this all over my face just for an even blend. I know, I can't let you go. I know. This is I got things that's a pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah. This is I got things that's a pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can only assure it.
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I'm using the same brush that I use for my foundation to blend out the edges of my concealer. I'm not going directly under my eyes. I'm just blending out the edges for my cheeks and in my inner corner by my nose so that I can have a seamless blend, no harsh lines.
Stand out the internet, share the stage, Billy Eilish, turn any given time. Personal partners, pillow talking, cause I got rich without it. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it you used to be, this shit slick divided. Right, got no hustle or nothing, so he gon' stick divided. I be knowing the rundown, I'm down, and so I can't speak about it. She know all the things, and she love me, I bring the freak about it. Can't play with me, you know I come true. I'm in a different league, I'm tired of showing I can get done. What you gon' do for me? 40,000 miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook, press foot on their neck, and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with it, shaking it.
To get under my eyes, I'm going to go in with a sponge and just pat that foundation, just blend it in right there under my eyes. I'm not trying to spread it anywhere. I'm just going to blend it in right there underneath the eyes.
Don't be in the mix, I feel this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' get serious about my money, this ain't no fucking play-doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he spin good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they make the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills, I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will, I've been on my grind for years. And I'm out here grinding still, I need equity to sign a deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling bills. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm out here grinding still. bars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out at the spot today, tomorrow we at a new location. For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living.
Putting a little extra concealer underneath my eyes just so that I can really cover those dark spots. And then I'm going to use a little bit of that concealer to blend it onto my chin as well. And then a little bit of this will go on my chin and my forehead, just to give that a little bit more brightness. But I didn't want to put any concealer directly on there.
If you want me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. So I finish bitch out well. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm not here trying to steal. I need extra to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live. 100 mil, I'm calling.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I'm so that like you, that bitch. I do it all. I won't cry, was getting through. I'm not long if you joking now here for me. I ain't got it. I'm skinny through it.
I am using the One Size Beauty translucent setting powder. I'm only using a little powder to set my face. I'm not baking. I'm just using that powder and moving it around to actually set where I concealed. I'm going to put this under my eyes, on my chin, above my nose, on my nose and my forehead where I would conceal if I was doing a full face, just because I get oily in those places.
Nobody like you do, you do. In the top shot right with you, I feel like Scarface. The party bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. The stage is argument back up to my place. Sex from argue, I'm not violent, I'm you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Find the home when you're not here, I'm saying.
For my eyebrows, I am going to first brush them through with an eyebrow spoolie, and then I am going to use, I believe this is the e.l.f. brow pencil in the color brunette. I know it's not Ebony, don't quote me, but I'm going to first underline my eyebrow and then line the top and then go in and fill it in. I usually fill in more towards the end, and then just do light strokes at the front to give it those hair stroke look, and then I'll do the same thing to the other brow.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke was better, life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better, life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. Ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but
I am using the same Born This Way concealer to just conceal my brows. I did not have them done, so I will go in and conceal them just to make them look neater. I do not do this on a daily basis when my eyebrows are done.
TV, see a nigga Rolex and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love
No such thing, no such thing. No
yours.
such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love yours.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Love
No
yours.
such thing, no such thing.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
I am using the Juvia's Place bronzer in the shade Dark. This is the Duo. So I used a lighter shade just to bronze up my face, give it back some structure. And then I will go back in with that darker shade just on my cheekbones, just to carve it out just a little bit, not too harshly. And then I'll use whatever left over on the brush on my nose.
Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running back to you. I trusted you, I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies,
I use the lighter shade in the Juvia's Place Duo on my eyelids, just 1 to 2 coats of this, just to give me some dimension.
I love you, so I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. And though my heart can't take no more, no more.
I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide.
I'm going to set my face with the Morphe setting spray, and then I'm going to dry it with a fan. For my lip liner, I am using the Crayon Case liquid lipstick in the shade Gumbo, and then I'm using Morphe lip gloss in the shade Freebird. Okay guys, this is what the makeup looks like in my studio lights when it's all done. It looks really cute and natural. Just something simple for every day or on the go on the weekend. This is my go-to. Alright, this is the finished look. I think it looks so good. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like outside in the sun, so you can just really see like my skin and how everything looks. It didn't take me long. I really should have showed y'all the time on my phone that it took me, and it took me less than 15 minutes to do my entire face. Especially already having lashes on, it was perfect for me. So this is what I like to do, and a lot of times I don't even carve out my brows, but they aren't done, so they do need a little concealer on them. But other than that, I mean, this is it, y'all. What y'all think? Looks good. If you're gonna try this, let me know. Tag me in a picture. Make sure you connect with me on Instagram at _Caprice Hampton. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I came outside for a minute so that y'all can see what my makeup looks like in the sunlight. Cute, real simple, but still, like, you know, defines my face. I really like it. Okay, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.